Hi, I'm Ashley from the Busy Baby Wear, and today I'm going to show you how to do a Meh Dai back carry. So actually I've already mine tied on. So you're going to start it just how you do in the front, but it's in the back. Real simple. So this is my baby, Ulrich. He's not a fan of back carries, so we'll see how this goes. So we're going to first get your baby up on your back, however you do that. Yeah. We like to Superman. Ready? Whoosh. See, look, you can still see everybody. Yeah. So we're going to spread his legs so I can pull that panel up in between us, or up around him, right here. And then he likes to tuck his legs, so I just make sure that he's got both feet out. Grab the panels, and I'm going to bounce, pulling up, and let him settle down into that seat. So, there we go. So now I'm going to take each strap, and I'm going to just make sure they're nice and tight, pull out away from my shoulder so I have less friction. I'm going to pin one between my knees, and I'm going to take it, spread it across his bum, and then under his leg. And then I'm going to do the same with this strap. Pin the other one between my knees, pull this one there across his bum. If you have a wrap strap, you can spread it here, but that's not necessary. It just gives a little more support. And then under his other leg. So you should have a nice X across the bum. So then here, you can simply tie a double knot. I still have a lot of length left, so I'm actually going to show you some fun fancy finish. You can pretty much do whatever you want from here, as long as it's tied off. But I'm going to pin one, and I'm going to spread the pass so it goes across my chest, over the strap, and then under, and then pull tight. And then same with this one. Spread it across the chest. Watch the hair, over and under. And there you have your knotless finish. I actually still have a lot of length. So I could, who knows. I'm going to do what we call the rose finish, thanks to Britt Brown Marsh. I'm going to fold this up a little bit here. I'm going to make a knot, half knot. And then I'm actually just going to wrap these around and make a little flower, because why not when you have the extra length? He likes to pull my hair. So there you have it. It's your Meh Dai back carry with a cranky baby. So go ahead, give it a try. Let me know how it goes, and good luck.